Accidents happen, and when they do, Minko's Max is here to help. Imagine the panic of spilling liquid on your MacBook Pro 16 M2 keyboard. A disaster, right? But it doesn't have to be the end of your beloved device. Many customers just like you have rushed to the Apple Store hoping for a quick repair, only to be told they need to purchase a new laptop for the same amount of money. Frustrating and costly, isn't it? That's where Minko's Max comes in. With 4 convenient London locations, open 7 days a week, we specialize in saving Apple products from liquid damage. Our expert technicians have years of experience and a passion for bringing your devices back to life. At Minko's Max, we understand the value of your time and money. That's why we've built a reputation for excellence, earning 5-star reviews from our satisfied customers. They appreciate our fast, reliable service and the significant savings we provide compared to buying a new device. Whether it's water, coffee, or any other liquid, we've seen it all and fixed it all. Our team uses advanced techniques to ensure your MacBook is restored to perfect working condition. Don't let a spill ruin your day or your budget. Trust the experts at Minko's Max to handle your repair needs with care and precision. Visit us today and discover why so many Apple users turn to Minko's Max for their repair solutions. Minko's Max, your trusted partner for Apple repairs, because your Mac deserves the best.